What's going on today, YouTube? Today I'm gonna go over my top 2 picks for this week. I'm gonna go over the stocks I'm watching. We're also gonna chart them out so we can see what patterns that I'm looking for. I just ask you to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And without further ado, I'm gonna show you my top 2 picks for this week. The first stock I'm looking at right here is the net. So if you look here, let me close this out real quick. I'm gonna put this back up, but I'm gonna show you this real fast of why I'm looking at it. As you can see right here, we have a trend line. To the downside. Right? So we have a trend down to the downside, and we also have a engulfing bullish candle right here. And then if you look at the RSI, MACD, the RSI is making a lower high. Right here, everything's going up even right here. The MACD, as you can see, is almost trying to cross over, but the RSI is showing bullish divergence. So that's a good sign. If you don't know what a bullish engulfing pattern is, engulfing pattern. I like to play these a lot. There we go. I like to play these a lot. As you can see right here. Downtrend, engulfing candle, and then we go up to the uptrend. So you can see a net here. We have a downtrend, and then we have an engulfing bullish candle right here. So we should be going to the upside. And then we're showing bullish diversion right here on the RSI. So I will say I will enter above. We have support here at 134. So over 134, I looked at enter calls. Looked like a good setup to me. So, but Trump is going on with this tariff news. I mean, not tariff news, this war. So we're going to see how this plays out, because this can open up and be down from the market being down. We don't know where the market is going to end up at. We'll see when the market opens tomorrow. But that's my first setup. My second setup I'm looking at is DE. Same thing right here. We have all-time highs here at 675. And we have the same thing, bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle and a pattern forming. So we have a trend line here. Trend line here. And then we have a engulfing candle right here. I love playing to the upside. We'll work good to the downside too, but I love when we go to the upside. And then right here, we're showing bullish divergence again on the RSI to the upside. It's making a higher low. Same thing. Bullish engulfing pattern. We got the downtrend. Engulfing candle right here to the upside. And DE is literally playing the same exact pattern. So above 632 will be a good entry for me. Let's look up SPY. Let's see what SPY and QQQ doing. SPY is still in the chop zone. SPY been in the zone for a minute. Let's see where we at. Get this out the way. So SPY been in this chop zone since December. So I don't know if we're gonna drop. We gotta lose. If we lose 675, we got room down to 650, or we got all-time highs at 697. Then we can look up QQQ. Let's see how the whole market looking. Chop zone as well, same thing, QQQ. We got to lose the support at 583 for the downside or break above 636 for the upside. Yeah, it look like we just in the straight chop zone. This is the straight chop zone, so we got to either make it or break it through this level. And then let's look up Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin at. Bitcoin is in this zone too. Base rest support right there. See about right there. Make that white. So Bitcoin is in this channel here. It's already lost 74K. Could go down to this 28K, 30K. See how the RSI MACD looking. Chop zone. Really can't tell what you really can't tell what the RSI MACD on Bitcoin. Look like it's stuck in this range, but look like it's been in this range before. This 64K range for what was this? March of 2024 all the way to October, stayed in that same range. So we possibly can see the same thing here in a pop, but we had never known. Guess we have to see. So yeah, they're my top two picks for this week. I like DE and I like a net. We're gonna see how the market opens tomorrow because you know Trump just did this stuff, so you never know. Hopefully, if they hit my levels, I'll signal them out in my Discord and my chat. And if you want to join, the link will be in the description below. But those are my top two setups for this week. If not, we're gonna try to find some day trades. We have no data this week, so we'll just see how it goes. So see you guys next time. I'll post my results if I do take these plays on the next YouTube video I make. Enjoy your weekend and have a nice day.